First days in 2026. And bam, check it out, Navicrest had sent us a dashcam, a Q7. And if you don't want your car to look like this, or if you have a car like this and you want to be sure that you are insured, you need a dashcam. So let's check it out, let's see what it can do, and maybe it's for you as well. With everything out of the box now, we can see what we have in the package. So we'll have the main camera, we have the power supply, you can plug it in your 12-volt socket and you still be able to charge your phone. We have the rear camera with, I'm pretty sure it's more than enough cable in here. And check it out, I forgot to mention, you received an SD card. 64 gigs of memory you have in there. You have the manual here, you have two screen protectors, you have a tool, you have some pads, plastic clips for the wire, for the camera, quick setup card. So you have basically everything in here. But if you want to hardwire the camera, you will need this set. And for that, you can see in here you have a code, you just have to search it on Amazon and you can buy directly this set with everything that is in here. And we have a warranty card. Now, let's go and install this on the car. Another winter morning. And what better times to install a dashcam? On this kind of weather, you need all the insurance that you need. Installation time. This should be pretty easy, to be honest, it's easy. To make this installation easier, you can remove the holder from the camera, because with this we can work easier, much easier. We are going to find our spot on the windshield, and it's going to be somewhere in here where I had the old one. We have a static foil that you will receive with the package and everything. Clean in here first, something like this. We are going to peel the anti-static foil. With that done, we can glue the holder. Let's check once again how this one will go in. So this should be something like this. So we have to glue it like this. Now we can plug the camera, remove the protective foil. .12 volts power supply. Now let's do the backup camera. This is going to be a little bit tricky because we have to install this long wire, of course. Clean the area. Peel the static foil. Peel the protective layer from the rear camera. The protective layer from the lens. Connect cable and the camera and tuck this cable in. With everything plugged in and very well tucked in there, let's see what we've installed and how it works. Starts. Please format SD card. We have to press one time in here.
Please format the SD card. Formatting is completed. Start recording.
Perfect. Now it's recording. So just one press of the button when it says start formatting the card. This is the first startup, of course. Now let's see the quality of the video, of course. We have to install the app for the dash cam. This is the app. We are going to hit install. Open app, accept, okay, add camera, camera is on. Next we have to search for the Wi-Fi, the name, hit connect. Okay. Oh, what a quality, man, no way. And now we can see that we can set the camera. Okay, where is our backup camera? Let's see. Oh, perfect. You can take pictures, and this is the rear camera. No way. Check it out. The front, let's set the camera to see the front of the car, something like that. Now let's see the quality. I'm going to go in front of the camera. Yes way. Nice. You can see everything. It has quality, that's for sure. That's quality. You cannot compare this one with what I had before this. Let's check in the back now. That's quality in the back as well, no way. And don't forget, I have tint on my window, so yeah, but the quality is there. We are going to check in a few seconds for you in the night time to see the quality on the night time. Looks amazing. It's small enough. It doesn't have a big screen that stays in your face all the time. You have a connection with your phone. You can see the footage all the time. You have the SD card that's included. So yeah, of course, best deal ever. And if you want to hardwire this one, you don't want to have this wire hanging, you can grab yourself a complete set with everything that you need, plugs and everything. I'm going to put the code or the name on the screen. You can search that on Amazon shop and you will find this complete product. And this is the start of the app, and you select camera info in German, and you have all the footage in here. Select which one you want, download here in the corner down left. And of course you can download all the videos. As you can see, the speed is phenomenal because it's a 5G wireless connection, and in a few seconds you have everything that you recorded on your phone directly. Thank you Navicrest once again for sending us this quality product, this dash cam, and the timing was perfect. We have snow, and in this period of time it's more than important to have the footage. Basically this could save you a lot of headache. Thank you once again Navicrest for partnering with us and sending us this product. I will have a link in the description box below. Don't waste any more time, don't wait for the snow to be here or ice. Grab yourself a Navicrest, a quality dash cam, and you'll find everything in the link in the description box below.